And coming right up to those prior highs right there. And a couple more points till that 420. See what we get at this 400. See if she wants to keep pushing right through.
Low.
Oh my God.
What is this bullshit?
And everything is really quiet. Let me see here.
This is insane move.
This is insane. I have volume all the way up. Why is everything so quiet? All right, we'll try that. Yeah, this is wild. Straight up.
Straight up.
Right, see that first deviation coming to the second. Oh my gosh. Let's just keep going, I guess, huh?
It's like a freight train. That might have been a look above and fail on the prior high just now. But definitely not something I want to get in front of. Nope, because there's a new high. Let's see.
And we got prior highs over here on ES at 427.
Maybe we want to take a little breather so we can get an entry. Golly. Is it too much to ask for?
Nope, that's too much. Alright, I'm gonna drop a volume profile here. These guys are running.
Okay, well, there's our pullback. We filled a gap, by the way. There's a gap in price with the tick chart. I was watching it. We just went through that. That was right around 400. So we filled that gap. The value area high from the low that we made around 845 is right here at 389.
We just wanted yesterday's highs over here on ES.
But we're getting into the profile now, so maybe we will pull in. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Once they got back into the profile, they started coming a little bit. Let's look at the halfway back off the low. We're off the open.
Yeah, 345. There's a little bit of sellers there, or buyers, I should say. Haven't gotten
That
that
was
yet
it.
on ES.
That was halfway back off the open right there.
Nah, there's room down.
Yeah.
I'm not touching it.
Might take longs back over 358. Stop. Yep. I'm in this. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Got 20 points there.
The thing that I don't like is
This is up 420
how
on ES.
weak equities are.
No, I don't like this for longs at all.
The problem, yeah. So the problem is like, I feel like that these futures contracts are going to be more and more like, I guess you could skew them. It's just the way it feels, like manipulating price. Because what is leading the Nasdaq right now? Does anybody know?
Well, Nvidia is strong. That's kind of the only thing.
Okay.
But it was down overnight. Like it's only up 80 cents.
Yeah, that doesn't make this kind
But
of
like
move.
Meta's selling off.
Our advances and
Google's
decliners are
down
going
5.
Yeah.
Apple's selling. Amazon is down. Microsoft down.
Intel selling. VGO is ripping. That's it.
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, Deb, what's going on, bro?
Not much. What's up?
Man, I have the worst stomach bug.
I've got it too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Dude.
I'm not doing hot right now.
Let's listen to this, right? So, like, I know this might be too much for you guys, but this is just, I think, kind of amazing. So I had to go to the bathroom. It was bad. And then I took a shower. So like, I weighed myself. I'm like, where am I at? So then, like, 30 minutes later, I had to throw up. And it was terrible. And I weighed myself after, and I lost 1.5 pounds.
Yeah.
I was like, holy cow.
Well, here we go. This may push us. We're holding daily fair value on ES. That's the thing here. But if that gives it up.
Well, here's the halfway back off the high. So
On both ES and NQ.
you might have a POC migration off of the low sitting right here around 368. $370.
ES is pushing for new highs right here. Coming up to its prior highs. 2 more points for that. If we break 350, could be nice for shorts. I'm not taking anything here. Just waiting. Little double top kind of on ES here. I'd still like to see us hit those prior highs.
Yeah, ES is playing some catch up here.
Dun, dun. There's our prior high on ES. Through it over there.
Yeah, we might have more upside. Nvidia is strong today. Nvidia's up $5 off the open.
Man, yeah, Nvidia is absolutely ripping.
And NASDAQ, ES broke those Friday highs.
And ES is still grinding here. Still pushing.
Yeah, ES gap fill was the nice trade today.
Yeah. Let's see here. I don't think I can hear you now, Chris.
What?
Oh, there we go.
I wasn't saying anything.
Oh, okay. I just saw it lighting up. I restarted my computer and my audio's all wrong. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have this turned up to 100, and then I adjusted the speakers and it blew me away. So I turned it back down.
It sounds really quiet because you can't hear Chris's background noise.
Oh, true. You're not watching TV today?
Oh, really? I do have it on.
Oh,
It's low though.
okay. You got filtering on or something then.
I don't know. I kind of want a lawn here. But I'll be targeting the 430. I didn't get in.
I like that, especially if we can hold that 365 daily point of control.
You didn't take anything in food, did you? Sorry, my computer died.
No.
Let's go. Well, we held that halfway back. And
Yeah.
more or less.
I would
Off
like
the-
a long off the 390 level, but I can't follow in now because I'm gonna trim at like 426.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we could just make a double top up here. Sure, you see silver today?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I know.
Yeah, gold went up like 100 points in 6 a.m.
Silver's up $5.50.
Hmm. She's just going.
Damn.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, my dad was like, yeah, we just need to hit 100 again. And we'll be set. Like, okay.
I'm here for it.
That looks like that sell-off right there means business.
We'll see here. Right down to 350.
Yeah, she moving.
We'll see. We haven't had a proper like halfway back on ES yet on the day. We just held the daily fair value, which I like, but our halfway back now would be, and our 618 is right at daily fair value.
This is now the POC from the low right here.
Yeah.
368.
So 50 and then 35 is what I'd be looking for targets if you were in the short here. If this breaks this point of control. It's coming back up to its high day.
Yeah, I'm looking for 426.
I don't like that rejection for long.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not good.
It's top of OR right there. It hasn't broken on ES yet. So, like to see if this holds top of OR right there. That is our 618.
We just keep tagging prior lows and going down right
we were looking for a short right now, we'd be looking at MES because that hasn't moved yet.
We got some earnings this week.
Yeah.
POC out the high migrated lower, by the way. Thank you. 351. That's where it's at. Might be testing another POC I've got sitting here at 368.
ES isn't minding anything right now. It's just going up.
ES, I'd really be using the 007 for an entry short. I wouldn't be using anything else off the open. That's not till, if you look at it, it's sitting at like 430, 431.
Mm-hmm. I'd like to see that retest something on ES. We're not doing anything. We're just grinding like crazy. Let's see here. I'm gonna flip over to MES here.
Send you a message, Drew.
All right, I'm gonna jump in. Just a few contracts short. Fair value high is gonna be my stop at 40, so 7-point stop. I like the way this is looking to curl down. Take this first one at 27. So we're gonna take it right here at 28. So lock in 5 there. Inky looks like it's gonna come down and test 300. Let's drag these stops to high a day here. Trail this up.
007 is triggered on ES officially, so.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just turn red. I'll strengthen the Russell today.
All right, I'm gonna take this first one here. We're testing that 9. I'm gonna move these other buy stops down. I'm just risking 1 point. I'd like to see what happens if we hit
Dude, Moderna looks so primed to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it legitimately looks like it could go up 50% in the next like month or less.
Well, with the news and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
I mean, I don't see that going away anytime soon. So.
I got a little bit of buyer stepping in, not much on ES, a little bit here. All right, this second one we're gonna drag down here. This could catch right here. That's all I'm seeing. So, I want to at least have a runner that can go here, but I'm okay locking in some profit. So we took the one off, got about 5 points or so. This one here, I'm trailing down. It's just 2 points from entry on MES. And then I just have my runner up here. We'll see. I do have support kind of stepping in here on MES. If NASDAQ breaks 300, we could see a little push down on MES, but Let's see. I really got to see it break like 26, 25.75 area here. So if this guy bounces here, we'll take one off at 2 points, and we'll just have a little tiny gain there.
This dip in NQ is so deep, I don't think it's gonna do anything but retest the prior lows at this point.
All right, right there on ES, we're out of that one right there. This is where I was kind of saying, like, we've got support stepping in. This thing can go all the way up to 40 here, and so I'm just risking 1 point here. Okay, and we're out. Reason for that is I wanted to give this at least room to do a halfway back retrace, and it did that to the 618 here. So that's all right. I'll look for the next play. NQ's looking like it still wants to come down, but
yeah, NQ will probably retest the prior low. Plus, I mean, if you get a reversal back here on ES, back below, let's say 31.5, I think you're still fine to get back in the trade,
I'm gonna
dude.
tag back in right there. Just two. I like that. Lots of sellers just stepped away, or buyers, I'm sorry. So looking for this to go down to 22 area. Daily point of control. Gonna run this the same type of way with stops at fair value high. I'm gonna put this right at 24.25. We had that 300 test over on NQ.
I think it's still fine, honestly. They're just, pulling back, it's the pullback off the high. As long as it holds the pullback off the high, it should be just fine.
427 is that next target down by the fib, but really looking for 24.25 area.
Yeah, that's almost the halfway back of the entire move off the open.
Yeah, halfway is at 23.25, and then we've got 420 at which is daily fair value, and the 618. That would be a lot nicer with a pullback there. Either way, NQ's pushing here.
It's weird. NQ just took the reins, started going, and ES was just chilling for a minute. NQ's probably looking for the halfway back on the high too.
Daily POC right there, and that's halfway back on NQ. So here I wouldn't be opposed with the short on NQ, but we're already on this on ES. I like ES better because it's more extended. We still had a little fib pullback here. We've got more room for the long draw if this is going to keep running today to get that halfway back. So I just like where ES is sitting a lot better right now.
If you guys are not aware, there's a giveaway currently on the EYEX for 6 Tradify select accounts. Yeah, I'll post it real quick. People seem to like those select accounts quite a bit. By the
I
way.
like them. I like them a lot. Got our POC right up here now. Oil coming back to fill its gap. Oh, there's silver coming down a little bit. Just $1. NQ's looking good. I mean, if this does push and this short draw proves out, then we're going to be back below the OR. NQ's right at that 618, so we'll see if this holds or decides to break up. We've got ES right here at its halfway back of that move. At least they're lining up pretty good on this fib draw. Yeah, VIX rising also right now, so that's interesting. I'm gonna enter just my my third contract. I like to run 3 or 4 on MES, so we're just in 3. Average is 431.50. We'll take this first one at 25.25. Got VIX coming up also right now. It did break over Friday's highs, so that's nice to see. Right now we're over in this Thursday high area. We'll see if it can continue to push, or if it hits its head here. We do have add down at 225, so that is negative. Bank is coming down. Dun, dun. Tesla is coming down a little bit right now too. That was a nice little fib draw on Tesla. Really looking for us to retest near this 200 and our daily fair value on ES. That'll give us about 12, 13 points. If we can make it all the way down to top of OR, it'd be about 15 points. So we're risking about 9. Do have a lot of sellers sitting right at 440, which is right at our stop. The only thing I don't like about that stop is how that looks on Bookmap. But I mean, this does look like we should see, see this at least retest this 21. Let's see if that can break that right down to that fib. Target that 427. let's retest this kind of double top area. Again, looking at Bookmap, it's this 440 that we've got a lot of sellers sitting at. I'm gonna put this just at 440, 150 just because of Bookmap. But we've got sellers stepping in here, so this is kind of what I'm looking at here. We've got sellers right here at this 437. Key right at that 400 again. This gets to that 440. We'll see a pretty big push up, I believe, up to this 50 area. We're kind of right at that double top here. NQ not quite, but we're really close to that. Right at that 764 on NQ. See if this gets absorbed and pushes right through. That's what we're seeing a lot on Friday. Yep, absorbed that. Well, they're stepping back in. Tag us here. Let's see here. thing up through up to 50 here. So if we get tagged, that's all right. Looks like we're near that upper limit, but we'll see. You can always re-enter. Right at daily fair value high here. Right at it. Dun, dun, dun. Is looking good on NQ. Let's see here. Yeah. I'm gonna drag this up just a little bit. I think we're right there. We get top ticked out. And I'm gonna add my fourth contract here. So for me that's full size on MES with the 150K account. That's what I like. Looks like NQ's gonna start curling here. So let's flip back over to ES. And we're right at that daily fair value high. Would like to see VIX break through the top of this range here. There, let's see. We're testing it right now. Coming back down slowly. I'd like to see NQ break this 95 for NQ if this were going to come down. There it is on NQ, so let's see if we can get some of this action on ES. Watching VIX, it hasn't been able to break back over this 19.4. It's right there. We've been trying for the last, what is this? 20, 30 minutes. It's just been chopping sideways here. If we can break through that, that should be a nice little push. We'll see here. There's NQ coming. Let's see if we can get a little bit of follow through with ES over here. NQ is the move on that. But let's see. See if we can get ES to follow. I'd like to see us break through this range on VIX. Daily fair value high, looking for that to be the kind of point that it holds. NQ just pushing. It's 75 points on NQ. We haven't seen that yet with ES. Should get there. There's NQ pushing even further here. It's nearly 100 points down. Yes, we're just about to our entry again here. Top of OR right here on NQ. If we can break this 33, we should be good here. Just looking for, do we bounce at the top of OR on NQ? take, I'm gonna take one there. There we go. I'm gonna trail another one at 32, and we're gonna just move these close to break even here. This looks like it's gonna go pretty good for us here. So we've got 3. This buy stop, we're gonna trail it every like 3 or 4. Might get a little bounce right here. This is bottom of OR. I don't want this to turn red on us. So got that one at 31. That was second entry. These other 2 are just at entry here at 36.75. The average of those 2 right there. If we can break this OR on NQ, that's where I'm looking for a more substantial move. I'm going to drag this one just to the top of that wick at 33. This other one will just run stop at break even. All right, there we go. All right, drag this guy down. There it is. Drag, drag, drag. Just keep dragging this down. There's our 25. Let's drag this one just to 28. We could get a bounce here right towards daily fair value, but if this continues to flush, we'll definitely see more follow through here. Problem with this at the current spot is we are right at that golden pocket. So it's like you want to give this enough room. If you really wanted to just walk away, just set stop at break even and go enjoy the day and see if this sells off a little bit today. But got this one at 28, 25.
Good morning, John.
Hey, good morning, Gary. How you been?
Good.
Good. Let me see here. Get a little bounce on NQ here. This may take us here, and that's all right. I'd like to see it keep going. This overnight lows are what we just swept on NQ. And we're out. So not bad. That puts us at probably 100-ish. Yeah, 104 on the day. I'm happy with that on this guy. Should keep going. Down, I would imagine, if we can break back through the OR again in daily fair value. So I'm going to call it here today just because I'm sick. I'm going to take the win. And I think I'm just going to go take a nap and hopefully get feeling better here. But yeah, thank you for jumping on today. And yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Be safe if you're going to keep going. So thank you guys. We'll catch you later.